You see me pa me hand? You hear them a walk upside down.
What is the reason for this visit now, Shepherd?
You see me pa me hand? That mean you hear them a deceive you. Not everything you see, that's where it go.
So this is our next parable, Shepherd?
Or probably you call it. Well, me call it a warning. You see, Bubbles, I didn't want you and your team for there, you know, not just you. But since you're there, you will be that source of news we can go give them.
Shepherd, if it's that important, we can call them and tell them to come. Yesterday them there, you know.
Bubbles, you really think me not nothing to do, you know? Me have other things to do here. The period tell me if you come up here. So me come up here.
Alright, well, I guess me tell them where you have to say.
You know that me say? Well, number first thing. Me no also miss the little girl, you know. I wanna feel bad about it. But Bubbles, it's not that she was without warning. Me want her. But, you see when me want one. And see what we have.
Tony and my worried about in a Shepherd. She take it the hardest.
Me understand. But this is a teaching moment. So what you no need to do is learn from it. She will get over it.
Shepherd, the day when you come link me, you did tell me about a coolie here, man. You don't have no more vision about him?
I'm not seeing the face of this coolie man clearly. But what the vision is showing me, Bubbles, is that him involved in some serious operations. I seen dead bodies. I seen coffin. And I see him having a troubled mind. Bubbles, this man is not an easy man though. So you go have to train on yourself. Because him is somebody hard to deal with. As a matter of fact, me I see about 3. But it could be more. About 3 coolied up around him. That means him going to be hard to conquer.
Well, Shepherd, the person that you're describing, he's actually on our list to investigate. And he could also be involved in the killing of the little girl.
Listen to your call from your boss. This call might be one that will take you overseas. It will take you to where the snake is. And you may have to cut off that snake head. But be careful. Whether the snake there have more than one head. You must remember, Bubbles, the things that me see is in parts. Some me catchy and some me should be.
I understand, Shepherd. I know say the pieces of the puzzle we have to put together.
Good. Now, for the little girl, there is somebody that will be coming after her. But who she might think, and that's how it go. For you see, what the eye might see, and that's how it go. She might have to use her third eye.
It's funny you should say that, in a Shepherd. Our mother recently just appeared in our life. And I find it to be suspicious. So, we're going to investigate her.
Anything you know want to do, anybody you know want to investigate, you investigate. All me I tell you is that what you see before you, you have to look beyond that.
Yes, Shepherd.
No, brother.
Brother, a 7 number me give you. And that you for use. Hold on. Hear me, sir. Me give you back a shout, yeah? When me shout you back, we talk about it, man. Alright. Hello? Who this? Dancer, what going? Man, everything alright? Yeah. Alright, where you got there? Yeah man, no come link you. Alright.